So let's go over an example now. So here on the left, you see an example of a Jenkins pipeline. In this example, we are building a Java app with Maven. So Maven is a build tool, just like NPM is a build tool in Node. Let's just high level go over the keywords that we see here, and then I will show you in a demo how it works in detail. So the first thing that you see here is Node. And Node influences on what Jenkins worker node the job will be run. So here we just specify Node, so we're not really defining on what Jenkins worker this job needs to be executed. I will explain you in detail when I explain you about the Jenkins slaves or the Jenkins workers, when we have multiple nodes that can build Jenkins jobs. At that point, I will explain you how this can be useful. But now, when we use this keyword node without any arguments, it just means this project can run on any node. And because we only have one node at the moment, it will just run on our master node. If you then use define Maven home, the DEF stands for define, and it allows you to declare variables. So you can create new variables. Then we have a stage, and a stage defines a building stage. So you have the build stage, the test stage, the deploy stage. In this example on the left, we have preparation, build, and result. 3 stages. You have to think about conceptually distinct steps. So here it's 3 logical steps that need to happen to build your project. It is used by other plugins in Jenkins later on to visualize the stages of a job. So you have, in this case, 3 stages, and you can visualize this. So that's why it's important. Another way could be clean, build, test, and publish. First you do some cleaning, then you build your project, then you test your project, and if all goes well, you publish it. So what you see here on the left is the build of a Maven package. Maven is used for Java. In the preparation stage, it's going to define the Maven home. The tool keyword is going to make sure that the home directory of this Maven tool can be found. And then this Maven home is then later on in the build phase used to build the path to this Maven executable. So this Maven executable is somewhere on the disk, and this Maven home /bin/Maven is where this Maven tool is. Then we're going to do a clean and a package. So it's going to make sure that we start with a clean environment, and it's going to package, it's going to build and package the software. And when you package software in Java, you end up with a jar. And this jar we're going to archive, and we're also going to make sure that we have the JUnit results in an XML. So Jenkins can also interpret those XML results. It can give you a nice graph. So that's how you package a Maven project as an example of a Maven project. In the next demo, I will show you again our Node project, and I will show you how to use the Jenkins pipelines with our Node project.